So today it's raining here in Sydney, and as you can see guys, you can't really see the view right now. It's quite foggy. Punta lang kami sa beach. Ito. Okay, where are we going? Can you stay in the left, my love? Can you stay like that? Okay.
Pearl Beach.
Pearl Beach. Okay, so guys, we are here in Pearl Beach. Look at that. It's raining today, but it's still a nice view around this area. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Catherine Hampson here, and today we are here in Pearl Beach, and it's raining today, so we are just gonna check it out, and then later on we'll just drive off as well, and we will see another part of Sydney also today. So here's my umbrella man, Stephen Hampson. What will you say about the place, love?
So this is Central Coast, which is the next coast above Sydney. And this is the Brisbane Water, around the Brisbane Water National Park.
Okay. Right, so guys, we will show you the view. This is the view right now. Since it's raining, we only have one umbrella, so we have to be stuck together, and no one could take video of me, so like that. Alright. Hello, my love. Hi.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
So this is a emergency tower. It's available for people. So if you've had a accident where you've essentially drowned in the sea or someone's rescued you, this gives you all the information on what to do. Danger, responsive, send a 000 to contact emergency services, check airways, check breathing, CPR and defibrillation. And if you need defibrillation, which is getting the heart going, you basically call the number on here and I'll give you a code to unlock it, and you've got access to a defibrillator. And then on the other side, you've got your flotation device to take people up here with the instructions on how to rescue someone who's been taken out to sea.
Right.
So,
Okay, that's right. I think that way is better. So we're just walking towards the car park now, and we will go somewhere else since we can't swim right now because it's too cold here in Sydney, Australia. Okay, I'm paying attention. But you're with me.
yeah, so I want you to pay attention to. Stop filming.
Okay, bye Pearl Beach. We're going to another adventure. Okay, thank you, love. Oops. Students just putting the umbrella at the door. Okay, so where to go next, my love? Okay. What's this, love?
This is Pretty Beach.
Yeah?
Pretty Beach.
Where?
We're in Brisbane Water National Park. Alright, Pretty National Park.
So what's the name?
Pretty Beach.
Pretty Beach. Here called Pretty Beach.
Pretty Beach is just right there. We're on the bay.
Okay. And that's the view. So we will just stay in our car since it's really heavy rain here. Are we going off? Hmm? Notice what?
This music tones down when we were out, so you can hear the cameras.
Are we heading home?
Let's go dead end that way.
Is this houses here? Is this like apartments or what? Houses. This one, oh, it's pretty on the right side. Pretty.
Here we are at McMaster's Beach, which is one of the first surf beaches on the central coast, facing the Pacific Ocean.
Okay, let's check it out. That's the view.
Sunlight shining. Nice.
Keep moving. So we are going home or not yet? On the way?
Slowway.